Hi guys. It's me. I'm back. Um, so today I'll be showing you how to, like, change background thingy. Well, it's really easy. So first, what you want to do is, sorry. Okay, first you want to do is you want to go to your browser, then type in this. See this? You gotta type this. When you type in that, you're supposed to go to this website. When you go to your website, you see this. Search the store. Then you type in stylish. Stylish. That's what you type in. This is the first thing that's gonna pop out. So you have to download it. It's supposed to say this on this web, but I already downloaded it, so I don't have to download it. So when you downloaded it, you're gonna go to you're gonna have this, then you're gonna have those pictures, and if you tap on this, it will change the theme or whatever it's called. So yeah, you can also download pictures. The same thing. You have to go to install it. So this is what I downloaded here because see, install. So yeah, so that's how you do it. Subscribe and comment if this was helpful enough for you guys. And I think that's all. But it only works on computers. So you can either do it on a computer or I don't know, but it works on mobile too. So yeah, peace out. Oof.